I'll swim and sail on savage seas with ne'er a fear of drowning, and gladly ride the waves of life if you will marry me. No scorching sun or freezing cold will stop me on my journey if you will promise me your heart and love me for eternity. My tears one, my darling dear, your mighty words astound me, but I've no need for mighty deeds when I feel your arms around me. But I would bring